Welcome to Luxefluent. In today's video, we'll explore the essential steps to building a personalized finance app that empowers users to take control of their financial journey. Remember, the content in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial or legal advice. Please do your due diligence before making any financial decisions. In the realm of personal finance management, two standout applications have garnered significant attention: Mint and You Need a Budget. YNAB. Each offers unique features tailored to different budgeting styles, and understanding their strengths can guide the development of a superior personal finance app. Mint has long been celebrated for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive financial overviews. By linking various financial accounts, users receive an aggregated snapshot of their financial health, including bank balances, credit card debts, and investment portfolios. Mint's automated transaction categorization simplifies expense tracking, while its visual tools like pie charts and trend graphs provide clear insights into spending patterns. This holistic approach allows users to monitor their net worth and set financial goals with ease. On the other hand, YNAB adopts a proactive budgeting philosophy centered on 4 key rules: assigning every dollar a purpose, embracing true expenses, adapting to financial fluctuations, and aging money to break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. This method encourages users to plan their spending meticulously, promoting intentional financial decisions. YNAB's emphasis on manual transaction entry fosters a deeper connection to one's finances, making users more aware of their spending habits. Additionally, its goal tracking features and detailed reports empower users to monitor progress and adjust budgets dynamically. By integrating Mint's intuitive dashboards and real-time financial summaries with YNAB's disciplined budgeting framework and goal-oriented tools, we can create an app that offers both comprehensive financial visibility and proactive money management strategies. Core features. Building a personal finance app that truly empowers users requires a thoughtful blend of security, intuitive design, and seamless functionality. Let's delve into the core features that can make such an app both indispensable and user-friendly. User accounts and security. In today's digital age, safeguarding user data is paramount. Implementing multi-factor authentication (MFA) adds an essential layer of security by requiring users to verify their identity through multiple methods such as a password and a temporary code sent to their phone. MFA significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. This approach ensures that even if one credential is compromised, unauthorized entry remains unlikely, fostering user trust in the app's commitment to protecting their financial information. Expense categorization. Understanding spending habits is crucial for effective financial management. By offering real-time expense categorization, users can see exactly where their money goes as transactions occur. For instance, when a user purchases groceries, the app can instantly categorize the expense under food or essentials. Visual reports such as pie charts or bar graphs further enhance this feature by providing clear, digestible insights into spending patterns. This visual representation helps users quickly identify areas where they might cut back or need to allocate more funds, promoting informed financial decisions. Budget goals and alerts. Setting financial goals is a fundamental aspect of personal finance. The app can assist users in establishing these objectives, be it saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or paying off debt. More importantly, proactive alerts can notify users when they're approaching their budget limits. For example, if a user is nearing their monthly dining out budget, the app can send a gentle reminder encouraging mindful spending. This real-time feedback helps users stay on track and avoid overspending, reinforcing positive financial habits. Automation and integrations. Convenience is key in financial management. By integrating with bank APIs, the app can automatically import transactions, eliminating the need for manual entry. This seamless connection ensures that users have up-to-date information about their finances without the hassle of inputting data themselves. Additionally, automation can extend to features like bill reminders or recurring expense tracking, ensuring users never miss a payment and can plan for regular expenses effortlessly. Additional considerations. Beyond these core features, several other functionalities can enhance the app's utility. Customizable categories. Allowing users to create and manage their own expense categories ensures the app aligns with their unique spending habits. Data visualization. Employing intuitive graphs and charts can make complex financial data more understandable, aiding users in making informed decisions. Push notifications. Timely reminders about upcoming bills and low balances or unusual spending patterns can keep users engaged and proactive in managing their finances. Goal setting. Enabling users to set, track, and achieve financial goals fosters a sense of accomplishment and encourages continued use of the app. By thoughtfully integrating these features, a personal finance app can become a trusted companion in a user's financial journey, offering clarity, control, and confidence in managing their money. Have you used any finance apps before? What did you like or dislike about them? Share your experiences in the comments. We're curious to know. Tech stack. Building a personal finance app requires a robust and efficient tech stack to ensure a seamless user experience across platforms. By leveraging React Native, Node.js, and Plaid, we can create a dynamic and secure application that meets users' financial management needs. React Native for cross-platform interface. React Native is an open-source framework that enables developers to build mobile applications using JavaScript and React. Its primary advantage lies in its ability to create a single codebase that runs efficiently on both iOS and Android devices. This cross-platform capability not only accelerates development but also ensures a consistent user experience across different devices. For instance, popular apps like Facebook and Instagram have utilized React Native to deliver smooth and responsive interfaces to their users. Node.js for secure backend. Node.js is a powerful, event-driven JavaScript runtime that excels in building scalable and efficient server-side applications. Its non-blocking architecture makes it ideal for handling multiple simultaneous connections, a common requirement in financial applications. By using Node.js for the backend, we can ensure rapid data processing and real-time updates, enhancing the app's responsiveness. Moreover, Node.js boasts a vast ecosystem of libraries and modules, allowing for the integration of essential security features such as data encryption and secure authentication protocols. Plaid for bank synchronization. Integrating a reputable third-party API like Plaid is crucial for seamless bank synchronization. Plaid acts as an intermediary between the app and users' bank accounts, facilitating secure access to financial data. With Plaid, users can link their bank accounts to the app, enabling real-time transaction tracking and account balance updates. This integration not only enhances user convenience, but also provides accurate financial insights, empowering users to make informed decisions. For example, fintech applications like Venmo and Robinhood have successfully integrated Plaid to offer users streamlined financial services, bringing it all together. By combining React Native's cross-platform capabilities, Node.js's efficient backend processing, and Plaid's secure bank integration, we can develop a personal finance app that is both powerful and user-friendly. This tech stack ensures that users have a consistent experience across devices, with real-time access to their financial data, all within a secure environment. Such an approach not only meets the technical demands of modern financial applications, but also aligns with users' expectations for speed, security, and reliability. User experience. Creating an exceptional user experience is crucial for a personal finance app's success. Streamlining the onboarding process is a key component. By simplifying signups, users can quickly access the app's features without unnecessary hurdles. Implementing auto-saving functionalities allows users to effortlessly build their savings, enhancing financial well-being. Providing personalized tips tailored to individual spending habits offers valuable insights, guiding users toward better financial decisions. Collectively, these elements foster a user-friendly environment, encouraging continued engagement and promoting effective personal finance management. Testing and future growth. Thorough testing is essential to ensure both performance and security in a personal finance app. By conducting rigorous assessments, we can identify and address potential vulnerabilities, ensuring a smooth and secure user experience. Looking ahead, integrating AI-driven insights can elevate the app's functionality. By analyzing users' spending patterns, AI can offer personalized budgeting advice, helping users make informed financial decisions. For instance, AI can suggest optimal saving strategies or alert users to unusual spending activities, enhancing financial management. By prioritizing thorough testing and embracing AI advancements, we can develop a personal finance app that is both reliable and forward-thinking, effectively supporting users in their financial journeys. We've covered some great ideas today for building a personal finance app. Want more? Click the button in the upper right corner to check out our other videos. Make sure to subscribe to Luxefluent. Get fluent, stay fluent.